Our understanding of the past is constantly being challenged. Every new discovery, every unearthed artifact, and every deciphered manuscript adds another piece to the intricate puzzle of human history. It's a never-ending quest to understand where we come from and how we got here. New discoveries emerge, forcing us to re-evaluate what we thought we knew. These revelations often come from the most unexpected places, challenging our preconceived notions and pushing the boundaries of our knowledge. One of the most perplexing mysteries lies in the realm of ancient maps. These maps, often created with astonishing precision, depict lands and features that seem impossible for their time. How did ancient civilizations achieve such accuracy without the modern tools we rely on today? Could it be that civilizations possessed advanced cartographic knowledge long before recorded history? The implications are staggering. If true, it suggests a level of sophistication and understanding that we have only recently begun to appreciate. If true, it would rewrite our understanding of human capabilities and the timeline of our evolution. It would mean that our ancestors were far more advanced than we ever imagined, capable of feats that defy our current understanding of their technological prowess. For centuries, maps have served as windows into the world. They are not just tools for navigation, but also records of human exploration and discovery. Each map tells a story, capturing the knowledge and imagination of its creators. They chart our progress, reflect our knowledge, and guide our exploration. From the earliest explorers who ventured into the unknown to the navigators who mapped the seas, maps have been essential in shaping our understanding of the world. But what happens when a map appears to depict something that shouldn't have been known? These anomalies challenge our understanding and raise questions about the true extent of ancient knowledge. What happens when the accuracy of ancient maps surpasses what we believe possible for their time? These maps, with their precise details and advanced cartographic techniques, suggest a level of expertise that seems out of place in the historical timeline. These are the questions that drive us to delve deeper into the mystery of ancient cartography. We are compelled to investigate further, to uncover the secrets hidden within these ancient documents. We are forced to confront the possibility that our history books may be incomplete. The more we learn, the more we realize how much we don't know. Each discovery opens new avenues of inquiry, revealing gaps in our understanding that we must strive to fill. Could there be a forgotten chapter in the human story? A chapter that has been lost to time, waiting to be rediscovered? The evidence suggests that there is much more to our past than we have been led to believe. A chapter that speaks of advanced civilizations and lost knowledge. These ancient maps and artifacts hint at a world that was far more interconnected and sophisticated than we ever imagined. The evidence, though fragmented, is compelling. Each piece of the puzzle brings us closer to understanding the true scope of ancient knowledge and the capabilities of our ancestors. It whispers to us from across the ages, urging us to piece together the puzzle of our past. As we continue to explore and discover, we are reminded that history is not a static record, but a dynamic and ever-evolving narrative. The year is 1929. The bustling streets of Istanbul are alive with the sounds of commerce and conversation, a city where the ancient and the modern coexist in a vibrant tapestry of life. In the heart of Istanbul, a remarkable artifact surfaces from the dust of the Topkapi Palace archives. This palace, a symbol of Ottoman grandeur, holds within its walls secrets that span centuries. It is a map drawn on gazelle skin, its surface a tapestry of intricate lines and cryptic annotations. The craftsmanship is exquisite, each line meticulously drawn, each annotation a mystery waiting to be unraveled. This is the Piri Reis map, named after the Ottoman admiral who owned it. Piri Reis was not just an admiral. He was a scholar, a cartographer, and a visionary whose work has intrigued historians for decades. Its creation is dated to 1513, but its origins, it seems, reach back much further. The map is a compilation of knowledge from various sources, some of which are believed to be ancient and lost to time. The Piri Reis map is not merely a historical curiosity. It is a cartographic enigma that challenges our understanding of history and geography. It is a cartographic enigma. The map depicts the western coastlines of Europe and Africa with startling accuracy, far beyond what was believed possible at the time. The map depicts the western coastlines of Europe and Africa with startling accuracy. The level of detail and precision is astonishing, considering the tools and knowledge available in the early 16th century. Even more astonishing is its portrayal of South America, connected to Antarctica in a way that defies our understanding of continental drift. This depiction suggests a knowledge of geography that predates modern science. How could a map drawn in the 16th century show a continent supposedly undiscovered until the 19th century? This question has puzzled historians and scientists alike, and not just show it, but depict it with details that suggest a time before it was encased in ice. The implications are profound. If the map is accurate, it means that there was a source of knowledge that has been lost to history. The Piri Reis map is a testament to a knowledge base that seems to predate our accepted historical narrative. It hints at the existence of advanced civilizations with capabilities that rival our own. It hints at the possibility of advanced seafaring civilizations, capable of mapping the globe with a precision that eludes even modern technology. These civilizations may have had access to knowledge and tools that have been lost to time. The question is, who were these ancient mariners, and how did they acquire such knowledge? Were they part of a forgotten civilization, or did they inherit this knowledge from an even older source? The Piri Reis map remains one of history's most intriguing puzzles, a window into a past that challenges our understanding of human achievement. The Piri Reis map is not alone in its defiance of conventional historical understanding. Other ancient maps echo its unsettling accuracy, further deepening the mystery and intrigue. The Orontius Finaeus map, dating back to 1532, presents a remarkably detailed depiction of Antarctica. What's more, it shows the continent free of its icy grip, hinting at a time when it may have been a temperate landmass. Then there's the Zeno map, shrouded in controversy, but no less intriguing in its details. Allegedly based on ancient Norse charts, it depicts the North Atlantic, Greenland, and even parts of North America with surprising precision. The map's existence challenges our understanding of Viking exploration, suggesting voyages far more extensive than previously believed. These maps, each a piece of a larger puzzle, paint a picture of a world far more interconnected in ancient times than we ever imagined. They whisper of forgotten seafaring prowess, of lost continents, and of a knowledge base that seems to have vanished into the mists of time. The enigma of ancient maps leads us inevitably to the question of their creators. These maps, often shrouded in mystery, depict lands and seas with an accuracy that seems almost impossible for their time. They raise questions about the extent of ancient exploration and the knowledge possessed by early civilizations. Who were the master mariners who charted the globe long before the likes of Columbus and Magellan? These early explorers must have had an incredible understanding of the world, far beyond what we typically credit them with. Their journeys, fraught with peril and uncertainty, paved the way for future generations of explorers. The evidence, though circumstantial, points towards civilizations renowned for their seafaring prowess, the Phoenicians and the Egyptians. These two cultures, separated by geography but united by their mastery of the seas, may hold the key to understanding these ancient maps. The Phoenicians, hailing from the eastern shores of the Mediterranean, were legendary traders and explorers. Their influence stretched across the Mediterranean and beyond, establishing colonies and trade networks that connected distant lands. They were known for their advanced shipbuilding techniques and navigational skills. Their ships, propelled by sail and oar, plied the waters of the ancient world, establishing trade routes that spanned continents. These vessels were not just means of transport, but symbols of their ingenuity and ambition. The Phoenicians' ability to navigate vast distances suggests they could have ventured far beyond the Mediterranean. Could their voyages have taken them further afield than we know, to the shores of the Americas, even to the icy embrace of Antarctica? The idea, while speculative, is not entirely out of the realm of possibility. Ancient records and artifacts hint at journeys that defy our conventional understanding of history. The Egyptians, too, possessed a deep understanding of the seas. Their civilization centered around the life-giving Nile, was inherently connected to water. They built impressive vessels that navigated not only the river, but also ventured into the Red Sea and the Mediterranean. Their mastery of astronomy and navigation is well documented, as evidenced by the celestial alignments of their pyramids and temples. The Egyptians' knowledge of the stars was not just for religious or agricultural purposes, it was also crucial for navigation. Their ability to chart the heavens translated into an ability to chart the seas. Could they have used this knowledge to chart the globe, their expeditions lost to the sands of time? The possibility is tantalizing. Ancient texts and maps suggest that the Egyptians may have embarked on voyages that took them far beyond their known world, exploring lands that would remain hidden for millennia. The Phoenicians and Egyptians, with their advanced seafaring capabilities and thirst for knowledge, stand as potential candidates for the creators of these enigmatic maps. Their legacies, etched in the annals of history, remind us of the boundless curiosity and ingenuity of ancient civilizations. As we continue to uncover the secrets of the past, we may yet find more evidence of their incredible journeys and the maps that recorded them.